This lesson is all about dividing polynomials using long division. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's have a recall first about adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing polynomials. This is the prerequisite in our lesson for today, the dividing polynomials using long division. So, we need to perform the indicated operation. Number 1, we have 11x squared plus 18x squared. Sa pag-add ng polynomial, kailangan natin i-check kung ang kanyang variable ay pareho at saka yung kanilang exponent dapat ay pareho. Yun yung unang titignan natin. And then, kapag parehas, kagaya nitong dalawa, we can now add the coefficient. So, i-add natin yung coefficient with following the rules of integers. So, 11 plus 18 is 29, and then kakopy lang natin yung x squared. Hindi na kailangang i-add yung kanilang exponent. Just copy the variable and the exponent. Next, number 2. Negative 11x squared plus negative 18x squared. So, since parehas din sila ng variable at saka ng exponent, it means pwede nating i-add yung kanilang coefficient. And since parehas na negative, i-add na lang natin siya. So, ang magiging answer natin is negative 29 and then copy x squared. Next, number 3. 11x squared minus 18x squared. So, again, kailangan natin i-check kung ang variable ay parehas at the same time yung kanilang exponent. So, since subtraction tayo, we need to follow the rules of subtracting integers. So, we need to change the sign. And this operation, magiging addition yan. Tapos yung sign ng 18 ay magiging negative. So, magiging 11 plus negative 18. So, 11 plus negative 18 is equal to negative 7. Isusubtract natin yung kanilang absolute value. And since yung 18 or yung negative 18 ay may greater absolute value, yung sign niya na negative ang gagamitin natin. And just copy yung ating x squared. Next, number 4. We have negative 7x minus negative 21x. So, same process kanina, retain lang to, yung negative 7x. Then, change yung sign nito, magiging positive. And then, of course, yung 21 ay magiging positive. So, we have keep, change, change. Then, syempre, parehas yung kanilang variable, so we can now proceed. That will become negative 7x plus 21x. That is equal to 14x. Magiging 14 kasi magsusubtract tayo dahil magiging positive to. And then, since mas mataas yung kanyang absolute value, yung positive sign ang gagamitin natin sa final answer. Let us proceed to number 5 example. We have 6x squared times x plus 3. So, distributive tayo dito sa ating pag-multiply. We have 6x squared times x. I-multiply lang natin yung kanyang coefficient dito. Dito sa x, meron tayong 1. So, 6 times 1, that is equal to 6. And then, x squared times x, that is equal to x cubed. Dahil, i-add natin yung kanyang exponent dito na 2 at saka dito na 1. And then, proceed tayo. Yung 6x squared naman times 3. So, i-multiply natin yung 6 ulit at saka yung 3 natin. So, 6 times 3, that is equal to 18. And then, since para silang positive, maglalagay tayo dito ng plus and that is 18. And then, since wala namang variable dito sa tabi ng 3, copy lang natin yung x squared. So, that is x squared. Or x squared times 1, that is equal to x squared. So, ang magiging final answer natin is 6x cubed plus 18x squared. Next, proceed tayo sa number 6 example. So, we have negative 7x times x plus 3. So, again, distributive ulit tayo. So, let's have negative 7x times x, that is equal to negative 7x squared. Dahil we have negative 7 times yung 1 na coefficient dito is negative 7. And then, we have x times x, that is equal to x squared dahil i-add natin yung kanilang exponent na 1 dito and dito rin na 1. Kaya 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then, negative 7 times 3, that is equal to negative 21. Dahil magkaiba yung sign nila, magiging negative yung answer natin. That is negative 21. Then, copy natin yung x dahil wala namang variable dito sa tabi ni 3. Kaya x times 1 is equal to x. So, ang final answer natin is negative 7x squared minus 21x. Next, proceed tayo sa number 7. We have negative 7x times negative x plus 3. So, again, distributive ulit tayo. Negative 7x times negative x. That is equal to positive 7x squared. Bakit siya naging positive? Kasi parehas na negative yung ating x dito at saka yung 7x. Parehas negative. Since parehas ng sign, magiging positive yung sign sa answer. And then, of course, para silang variable na x, so i-add lang natin yung kanilang exponent, 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. And then, negative 7x times 3, that is equal to negative 21x. Dahil parehas, hindi pala parehas. Dahil negative yung 7x at saka positive yung 3, kaya magiging negative yung final answer. And then, copy na lang natin yung x dahil wala namang variable dun sa 3. So, ang ating final answer is 7x squared minus 21x. Proceed tayo sa number 8 example. 6x cubed divided by 2x. So, dito sa example na to, i-divide lang natin tong coefficient at saka ima-minus natin yung kanilang exponent. So, dito ang exponent ng ating x ay 1. So, 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. And then, 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So, copy natin yung x, then lagay natin yung exponent na 2. Yun yung pinag-minusan natin. So, ang ating final answer is equal to 3x squared. Yan yung ating final answer. Next, proceed tayo sa number 9 example. You have 10x cubed minus 4x divided by 2x. So, dito naman, i-divide natin parehas yung 10x cubed sa 2x. At saka yung 4x. I-divide din natin siya sa 2x. So, magiging 2 term yung final answer natin. So, dito, 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 5. And then, subtract natin yung exponent nila, 3 minus 1 na exponent dito, that is equal to 2. So, we have x squared here. And then, 4x divided by 2x naman. So, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Pero, dahil may sign na negative dito, magiging negative 2 tayo. Then, sa variable x divided by x, that is equal to 1. So, hindi na tayo kailangan maglagay ng variable dito sa tabi ni 2. Or, pag sinubtract mo kasi yung exponent nila na 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. And x raised to 0 is equal to 1. Or any number that raised to 0 is always equal to 1. So, ang final answer natin ay 5x squared minus 2. So now, ready na tayo sa pag-divide ng polynomials. Sa pag-divide ng polynomials, we can be simplified exactly parallel to arithmetic division. Yung ginagawa nating usual na pagsosolve sa long division natin sa arithmetic. Parang numbers lang din yung i-divide natin. Ganun din lang ang magiging proseso natin later on. Let us proceed to example number 1. Find the quotient of p of x equals 2x cubed minus x squared minus 8x minus 15 divided by x plus 4. So, polynomial divided by a binomial. Yung first step natin, we need to arrange the terms of the dividend in descending power of x. So, ito yung ating dividend, ito yung ating divisor. So, dapat yung power of x natin is naka-descending order. So, that is 2x cubed minus x squared minus 8x minus 15. So, pansinin mo siya, 3, 2, 1, tas dito 0 na. So, naka-descending order na siya. Do this also for the divisor. So, yung divisor natin ay x plus 4. So, since dito ay may 1, tapos 0 naman na dito dahil wala ng variable. So, naka-descending order na rin siya. If there are missing terms, write 0 as the coefficient of that term. So, let's say wala kang x squared dito. So, dahil wala kang x squared, kailangan daw lagyan natin siya ng 0 as the coefficient. So, bago ka magsimula, magsingit ka dito ng 0x squared. So, next, proceed tayo. Ito yung ating solution sa pag-divide. Una is sulat natin yung divisor sa labas ng ating division symbol and then yung ating dividend sa loob. Yan, naka-descending order yung ating exponent. And then, yung first step natin is, ayan, ito pala yung divisor natin at saka dividend. So, yung ating first step ay division. Ang i-divide lang natin is yung ating first term na 2x cubed at saka yung first term ng divisor. So, i-divide mo lang yan, 2x cubed divided by x. That is equal to 2x squared. Tapos, isusulat mo yung answer sa tapat nung x squared. Yan, again, yung sample natin kanina sa practice natin, 2x cubed divided by x, i-divide natin yung coefficient, 2 divided by 1, that is 2. Subtract yung exponent, 3 minus 1 is 2, kaya naging 2x squared na siya. So, done na tayo sa first process. Ang next natin is multiplication. So, i-multiply natin tong 2x squared sa x minus 2 using distributive property. So, 2x squared times x, that is equal to 2x cubed. Dahil 2 times 1 is 2 and add natin yung exponent ni x squared tsaka ni x, that is equal to 3. Then next, 2x squared times negative 2, that is equal to negative 4x squared. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 dahil magkaiba yung sign nila. And then x squared times 1 lang kasi wala namang variable dito, so x squared na siya. The next process natin is subtraction. Iso-subtract natin etong 2x cubed minus x squared tsaka 2x cubed minus 4x squared. So again, sa pag-subtract, kailangan nating palitan yung sign ng ating subtrahend. Tapos magiging addition na yung process natin. So etong negative 2x cubed sa baba, magiging negative, and then dito din, ito ay magiging positive. So 2x cubed plus negative 2x cubed, magiging 0 na yon. And then, negative x squared plus positive 4x squared dahil mapapalitan yung sign nito, that is equal to 3x squared. So, this is negative 1 plus negative positive 4. Magiging positive 4 na to, kaya positive 3 na siya. Then, copy the variable and its exponent. The next step is bring down. I-bring down natin itong negative 8x sa tabi ni 3x squared. And then next step, proceed ulit tayo sa division. So, i-divide ulit natin itong first term at saka yung ating first term ng divisor. So, 3x squared divided by x, that is equal to 3x. Dahil 3 divided by 1, that is equal to 3. And x squared divided by x, that is equal to x na lang. Dahil susubtract mo yung exponent, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Kaya 3x. Then next, proceed tayo sa multiplication. Multiply natin ulit yung 3x sa x minus 2. So, 3x times x, that is equal to 3x squared. Dahil 3 times 1 is 3. X times x is x squared. Dahil add mo yung exponent nila na 1. Then, 3x times negative 2, that is equal to negative 6x. Dahil 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And x times 1, dahil wala naman siyang variable, kaya x na lang siya. And then, next step, subtraction ulit tayo. Isusubtract natin tong 3x squared minus 8x tsaka 3x squared minus 6x. So, same process. Magiging negative yung 3x squared, magiging positive yung 6x, then proceed tayo sa addition. So, 3x squared minus 3x squared, or 3x squared plus negative 3x squared, that is equal to 0. And negative 8x plus positive 6x, that is equal to negative 2x. And then, next process is bring down. Bring down natin yung 15 sa tabi ni negative 2x. Proceed ulit tayo sa division. So, divide natin yung negative 2x sa x. So, negative 2x divided by x, that is equal to negative 2. Dahil, isusubtract lang natin yung kanilang exponent dun sa x dito tsaka x dito. So, magiging 0 na siya. So, mabaliwala na yung ating variable. Negative 2 na lang divided by 1, that is negative 2. Then, proceed tayo sa multiplication. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Then, negative 2 times negative 2 magiging positive 4. And then, proceed tayo sa subtraction. Subtract na natin yung negative 2x plus 15 at negative 2x plus 4. Change sign ulit tayo dito sa baba. Magiging positive na yung 2x, magiging negative yung 4. So, 2x plus positive 2x, magiging 0 na siya. And 15 plus negative 4, that is equal to 11. 11 will be our remainder. So, siya yung remainder natin and pwede din natin siyang i-write dito sa ating quotient na 11 over x minus 2. Saan nanggaling tong x minus 2? Dito sa ating divisor. Ayan, ganito ang proper way of writing the final answer. Ito na ngayon yung tinatawag nating quotient. Proceed tayo sa example number 2. Find the quotient of p of x equals 6x cubed plus 11x squared minus 7x plus 54 divided by x plus 3. So again, yung first process natin is arrange the dividend into descending power of x. So pansinin natin, we have 3, 2, 1, and then 0. So naka-arrange naman na siya at walang nawawalang term. Kaya wala tayong papalitan na 0. So, do this also in the divisor. X plus 3, naka-descending order naman na siya. And we can now proceed to our division. Okay, proceed tayo sa ating solution. I-write na natin yung ating divisor at saka yung dividend. Dapat yung ating dividend ay naka-descending order. We have 3, 2, 1, then 0. So, ito yung ating divisor at ating dividend. Start tayo sa first process na division. So, i-divide lang natin yung 6x cubed at saka x. 6x cubed divided by x, that is equal to 6x squared. Yun lang, yung first term lang ng dividend saka yung first term ng divisor ang dinidivide lagi. So, 6 divided by 1 is 6. X cubed divided by x is x squared. Sinubtract mo lang exponent. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then, proceed tayo sa multiplication. So, distribute lang natin. 6x squared times x. That is equal to 6x cubed. Dahil 6 times 1 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then, 6x squared times 3, that is equal to 18x squared. 6 times 3 is 18, x squared times 1, dahil wala namang variable dito, so that is x squared. And then, proceed tayo sa subtraction. So, subtract natin yung 6x cubed plus 11x squared, tsaka 6x cubed plus 18x squared. Change tayo ng sign ng subtrahend. So, magiging negative yung 6x cubed. Negative din yung 18x squared. Then, proceed tayo sa addition. So, 6x cubed plus negative 6x cubed is equal to 0. 11x squared plus negative 18x squared, that is equal to negative 7x squared. Dahil negative to, magsusubtract na tayo. Then, copy the variable and exponent. Next process is bring down. Bring down natin yung negative 7x sa tabi ni negative 7x squared. Proceed ulit tayo sa division. So, divide ulit tayo ng first term, tsaka first term ng divisor. Negative 7x squared divided by x, that is equal to negative 7x. Negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. Then, x squared divided by x is x na lang. Subtract lang yung exponent na 2 minus 1. Then, proceed na tayo sa multiplication. Multiply natin yung negative 7x sa x plus 3 by means of distributive. So, negative 7x times x is equal to negative 7x squared. Add mo lang yung exponent nila. Then, negative 7x times 3, that is equal to negative 21x. Dahil magkaiba yung sign, negative and positive. And then, proceed tayo sa subtraction. Subtract ulit natin yung 7x squared minus 7x and 7x squared minus 21x. Change ulit tayo ng sign ng subtrahend. Huwag kakalimutan mag-change ng sign ng subtrahend. Magiging positive na to. Etong 21x magiging positive na din. So, 7x squared plus positive 7x squared ay 0 na siya. Negative 7x plus positive 21x, that is equal to 14x. Magiging 14x na siya dahil magiging positive tong 21x. And then, proceed ulit tayo sa bring down. Bring down natin 54 sa tabi ni 14x. Then, next, divide ulit tayo. So, 14x divided by x, that is equal to 14. And then, proceed tayo sa multiplication. Multiply natin yung 14 sa x plus 3. So, 14 times x is 14x. Then, 14 times 3, that is 42. And then, proceed tayo sa subtraction. So, change sign ulit tayo sa 14x plus 42. Magiging negative 14x minus 42. So, 14x plus negative 14x, that is 0 na. 54 plus negative 42, that is equal to 12. And 12 will be our remainder. And ang final answer natin is 6x squared minus 7x plus 14 plus 12 over x plus 3. Ito yung ating quotient. So, do not forget the process. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Again, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Just repeat the process. Next, we need to complete the following. So, meron tayong nawawalang number dito or ng term. So, kailangan natin kumpletuhin. Ano kaya yung magiging term dito? Verify natin. Ito yung ating divisor, x plus 4. Ito yung dividend natin, x squared plus 5x plus 1. So, unang gagawin, divide x squared tsaka x. So, x squared divided by x, that is x. Then, multiply x times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. Then, change. Mag-subtract na tayo dito. Magiging 0 na to. And then, dito naman ay 5x. Tapos, ito ay magiging negative 4x. So, 5x plus negative 4x, that is equal to x. So, x ang nawawala dito sa ating example. So, proceed tayo ulit. Solve natin. Bring down na natin yung 4. X divided by x, that is equal to 1. Then, 1 times x is x. Then, 1 times 4 is 4. Then, subtract tayo. X plus 4 minus x plus 4, that is equal to 0. So, wala tayong remainder dito sa example na to. Okay, let's try another example. We need to complete this. We have x squared minus 7x plus 8 divided by x minus 4. So, merong nawawalang term dito. Solve natin. X squared divided by x is x. And then, multiply tayo. X times x is x squared. Then, x times negative 4 is negative 4x. Then, subtract tayo. X squared minus x squared, 0 na siya. Negative 7x minus negative 4x. Mag-change sign tayo sa subtrahend. Magiging positive na to. So, 7x plus positive, negative 7x plus positive 4x, that is equal to negative 3x. Then, bring down 8. Negative 3x divided by x is negative 3. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 4 ay positive 12. Then, proceed tayo sa subtraction. So, mag-change ng sign dito. Magiging positive na yung 3x. So, negative 3x plus positive 3x is 0 na siya. Then, 8 plus negative 12 is negative 4. Negative 4 ang ating remainder at ang quotient natin is x minus 3. Remainder, negative 4 or x minus 3 minus 4 over x minus 4. Next, let's have another example. 6x squared plus 10x plus 7 divided by 3x minus 1. So, magde-divide muna tayo. 6x squared divided by 3x. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. X squared divided by x is x. So, ang sagot natin dito sa taas ay 2x. Then multiply tayo. 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. Then subtract tayo. 6x squared minus 6x squared ay 0. Wala na siya. So 10x minus negative 2x. Mag-change sign tayo. Magiging positive to. Then magiging plus na yung ating operation. So 10x plus positive 2x is 12x. Then bring down positive 7. Proceed tayo sa division. 12x divided by 3x, that is equal to 4. So 4 times 3x, that is equal to 12x. Then 4 times negative 1, that is negative 4. And then subtract tayo. 12x minus 12x, that is 0. And then 7 minus negative 4. Mag-change sign to. Magiging positive na siya. So 7 plus positive 4, that is equal to 11. 11 yung ating remainder. So ang quotient natin ay 2x plus 4 plus 11 over 3x minus 1. Okay, next proceed tayo sa next example. We have x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x plus 27 divided by x plus 3. Originally, ang ating dividend ay x cubed plus 27. So, dahil may nawawalang exponent ng x, kailangan natin siyang palitan ng 0. So, kaya nag-insert tayo dito ng 0x squared at saka 0x. So, since kompleto na yung ating power of x na 3, 2, 1, and 0, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa process ng ating long division. Start tayo sa dividing. X cubed divided by x is x squared. Subtract lang tayo ng exponent. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then, proceed tayo sa multiplication. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times 2 is 2x squared. Then, proceed tayo sa subtraction. X cubed minus x cubed is 0. Kaya wala na dito. 0x squared minus 2x squared magiging negative 2x squared. Dahil nag-change ng sign dito sa ating subtrahend, magiging negative to. Then, bring down tayo ng 0x. Proceed naman tayo ngayon sa division. Negative 2x squared divided by x is negative 2x. Nag-subtract lang tayo ng exponent. So, 2 times 1 is 1. Then, multiply. Negative 2x times x is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times 2 is negative 4x. Then, subtract tayo. 2x squared minus negative 2x squared, or negative 2x squared minus negative 2x squared is 0. 0x minus negative 4x. Mag-change sign tayo dito sa subtrahend, kaya magiging positive 4x na siya. Then, bring down 27. Proceed tayo sa division. 4x divided by x is equal to 4. Then, multiply tayo. 4 times x is equal to 4x. Then, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Positive 8. Proceed tayo sa subtraction. 4x minus 4x, that is equal to 0. And then 27 minus 8, that is equal to 19. 19 ang ating remainder. Ang quotient natin ay x squared minus 2x plus 4 plus 19 over x plus 2. Yan yung ating final answer.